challenging Cabigon,
We will discussing about limit laws.
indeterminate form.
There are 7 indeterminate forms that may arise when attempting to evaluate a limit by direct substitution.
These are the indeterminate form that you may encounter. First, 1 to the power of infinity. Second, infinity minus infinity. Third, infinity to the power of 0. And fourth, positive to negative infinity over positive negative infinity. Fifth, 0 to the power of 0. And 0 over 0. And 0 times infinity.
So, what is indeterminate form? Indeterminate form is an expression involving two functions whose limit cannot be determined solely from the limits of the individual functions.
Here is the example number 1 of indeterminate form. Evaluate the limit if it exists. For example, limit of x approaches to 2, x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. This is the rational form. If you see like this, you're gonna do is to factor the top and the bottom form. So first we do direct substitution. For example, limit of x approaches to 2, 2 squared minus 4 over 2 minus 2 is equal 2 squared equals 4. Then copy the remaining number, minus 4 over 2 minus 2 equals 4 minus 4 equals 0 over 2 minus 2 is equal 0. So this is the indeterminate form. What we do in this situation is to factor and cancel out the common factors or like factors, like this example. Limit of x approaches to 2 minus 2 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. So the common factor here is x minus 2. So we cancel out it. And the factor left is x plus 2. After this, substitute x to 2. Limit of x approaches to 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. Then add and you will get the limit. And the limit is limit of x approaches to 2 is equal to 4.
In this example number 2, we will get the indeterminate form infinity minus infinity. So, limit of x approaches to 3 from the right of 2 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 9. Now, we will go to direct substitution. So, 2 over 3 minus 3 minus 1 over 3 squared minus 9. So, copy the numerator, 2 over 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 1, copy the numerator. Then, over 3 squared equals 9 minus 9 equals 0. And then, there is the infinity minus infinity. The best way to start in this infinity minus infinity is to simply combine the rational expressions or these factors. And it's not going to be infinity minus infinity because it's just be one fraction. And so, first, let's get the common denominator. So, I just factored first the x squared minus 9. So, x minus 3 over x plus 3 times 2 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 9. So, we distribute it. So, 2 times x equals 2x. So, 2 times 3 equals 6 minus 1 over x squared minus 1. So, this x minus 3 and x minus 3 are common factors. So, we cancel it out. So let's subtract. So, 2x, 6 minus 1 equals 5 over x squared minus 9. So, 2x, 2 times x, the value of x is 3. 2 times 3 is equals 6. So, plus 5 equals 11. So, x squared, the value of x is 3. So, 3 squared equals 9, minus 9 equals 0. It just goes, so, the answer that we see is like 0 in the denominator, but what is happening, this is not an indeterminate form of 0 over 0 or infinity minus infinity. In this particular problem, we will not use L'Hopital's rule, so 11 over 0 is just goes to infinity. So the answer is infinity, or the limit is does not exist of the limit of x approaches to 3 from the right of 2 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 9. So the limit is does not exist.
Thank you for watching our video.